20 years, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Mzansi is shocked after DJ Zinhle reveals what she does to maintain her body. Hi YouTube family, welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But DJ Zinhle revealed that she doesn't attend any gym. She doesn't have any gym membership out there. She does everything to maintain her body from the comfort of her home. She mentioned Uguti, she drinks hot water with lemon because it has positive benefits for her stomach. She further stated Ugutiena, she started off by watching YouTube videos online, YouTube videos from those content creators who create a content on how to be fit, how to gym, and who share all those gymming ideas and gymming methods. So DJ Zinhle attends those sessions from online, but she just logs into YouTube and watch the videos from an instructor and copies exactly what the instructor does. She further stated she started off from following instructions wezinto ezilula before moving to those instructions that are upgraded, those that are more difficult to do. She further stated she watches everything that she eats because it is good for your soul to forever watch what you eat. Ungamani nje wena uqumsele yonke into oyibonayo emlomeni. She also stated she does a certain fasting whereby she eats at a particular time of the day and also give time for her body to rest. This is indeed impressive, because most of us, we thought DJ Zinhle attends a gym whereby she has a gymming partner who assists her on how to do certain gymming techniques to maintain her body. Osisi girl is just at the comfort of her home doing all those gymming techniques from online. This is indeed interesting. That's it for today. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching.